Hello, friends. I'm Johan Makianto. Today, I'm going to talk about Moldy under microscope because you would want to see that. Like, maybe it looks like this or what? Hey, oh wait, I forgot to open the microscope first. Open, oh, press open, and okay. And by the way, this is a moldy bread. Okay, and first, just need to do this. You can probably see it. I think I'm not even focusing on the what is it called? Mushroom, fungus, mold. There you go, mold. That is water, and it smells pretty bad here. Very indicating that it is probably not tight. And look at this. This is the upside down of the moldy bread. I can see it really well because the screen is at an angle. Oh look, that is very similar to graphite on paper. Let me just do a comparison. I think I have a pencil somewhere. Oh well. Or this one. Like right here. Okay, that is similar to graphite on paper. Wrong thing. There. Just ignore the blue and yellow dots because they are not part of the graphite. Just compare it. That and this. This one is more random. Then let's look at the other parts. So okay, this is the crystal right. And by the way, it will be normally like with fibers, a lot of fibers. And the mushroom has lots of fibers too. Won't change much. So except for those brownish things. I don't even know what are those. Those are mushroom. Or not mushroom, but specifically, but mold. The mold. To out zoom. Okay, that is the plastic. Don't worry about that. That is plastic. Okay, next region. So, where is it? I cannot find it. Or maybe it is just the yellow hue, which is like that. That is the plastic again. So, okay. Ah, yes. That, there we go. Yellow hue. Oh, yeah, it's just a yellow hue. So, yeah, this is the undersides of the moldy bread. There might be even several molds here. Several molds here. Some are the same species, while some are different species. So yeah, it might be viable. Also, if you don't know, your top is covered with not fungus again, mold. If I say it is fungus, then I paint a too general picture of it. Why? Because fungus usually have mushrooms, and mushrooms are the reproductive parts of fungus. Mold just release spores. And by the way, the mushrooms also release spores and such. And I already explained that in my other video about fungus. So yeah, that is it, I suppose. Thank you for watching and goodbye. Oh wait, first of all, these are just water droplets. I'm going to study them more. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.